Hello guys, welcome back to the software testing tips and tricks channel. So in last video we talk about page object model with Playwright. So in that I have taught basics of the page object model. We discuss about pros and cons and all, and we take a little smaller example for login and logout scenarios to know how it works. So today we will gonna automate Amazon website. So in Amazon I will open first amazon.in, search iPhone 15 Pro Max, click on search button, and then I will click on first link. It opens in new tab, so we will handle new tab, and in that we will verify something and click on add to cart button. So once I do click on add to cart, I will click on proceed to checkout button. So that's it. So we will verify this scenario using page object model. So in page object model, what we are gonna do is like we will create pages and one test file. So we can do multiple because Amazon is very large app, so we can do multiple ways to automate, but this is for this simple scenario I will teach how we can divide into pages and combine that and run that. So first let's create pages. So in pages, like if we go again to amazon.com, currently I am seeing two pages here. One is home page and other one is product page where this product got open. So this is product page and this is home page. So in home page we have something to search. So this method we will create to search that, and we can search anything whatever string we pass in the search box. So once I search that, this again this will be in product list page we can create, but right now to make it simple in this home page only, I will do that and click on the any product that we pass it, and it will click on that. Once we click, it's opening new page, and this is a page with product description. So we'll create new page called product page, and in that product page we will verify like is it the same product which we opened, or if something we want to verify here, and click on add to cart. So after this clicking on to add to cart, again this is opening in I think in product page only. In sidebar it was opening like before when I click. So I think it will open same when we do automation as well, like this. So it will be in product page only, but if you want to create new page for add to cart and to verify the cart, right, we can do like we can change the quantity from here, delete all. But right now to make it simple I am not doing this. You can do it as part of your homework. So let's start coding it. So first thing we need to do is we need to create page. So I am creating new file and going home is page.ts. And another one I am creating product this page.ts. So we have two pages now, and we need multiple tests to execute methods from that page. So I am creating first test. I am giving name let's say order item. So like orders dot spec. This is spec file. So here we will write our test cases. So now in home page we need to search something. So again go to Amazon, and here we need to search something. So before that, like in page object model, in page file looks like this. So already we discussed in previous video. So I am just copying this so that we don't make any syntax error here, and I am removing uh, unused identifier and all. See, still we are doing that mistake. So I am removing all the methods. So go to we will need to go to amazon.in, so I am keeping it. So let's make we want to go to https.amazon.in. Now we need to, okay, this get started also we don't need that. So let's create search box So this is the input we have. So we have this class with div, so we will get that one only, and then input. So we are getting input. Again, you can post id as well, so that it will take same input only every time, just to make sure. If you put input also, then also it will work. So I am taking this identifier. Even directly input id, this one will give you same, but to make sure, like if you are taking from that div only, you should make such complex one little bit. But right now I think this will be fine, so I am using that. Read only input search item, we can say search product input, and this dot search product input equal to page dot locator. We are using locator, and here we will pass this one. So we got page dot locator, and now we can search anything in this one. So what we are doing is uh, we are creating one method async search product, and we will take a string, so this will be product name. And here we will first click on this dot search product input dot click. So first we need to click on this, we need to use await. Once we click on that await, we will fill that dot field, and we'll pass this product name, so it will search that product name, and we need to typecast it. So this is TypeScript, right? So we can pass this as a string only, we will take. Now once I search that, I need to click on this input button, search button. So let's say, so this is input, so that I already knew. So again input, and we can pass. So you can directly use page by role and all also, but right now I am using same locator. So it's again read only search button, and it's locator, and here we need to create that this dot search button. So in when we use when we are writing automation in office, right, in company, so we are actually follow this kind of page object model with a bit complex way, but it looks same. So here we make sure, like if any of the identifier changes, I need to change only one place. So that is very important. So now I am clicking on that await this dot search product dot click. Sorry, search button, right? So now our search product is ready. So once we search product, we need to click on the product that displays first. So we have this span class, so we have this link, so we can directly use link like this. We had that locator, right? Locator a has text, so we can pass the text on the fly. So let's create that async click on product link, and here again product name, so we give it string, and we do await page dot locator. So we are creating that here only, to make it dynamic. So we can use page.locator, that is a, which refers to link, and we have this hash text, comma, and here we have this. So here in hash text we will pass that product name, so that it will take that product name what we pass, and we will click on that. So this will automatically, every time we give dynamic product name, it will pass, and this hash text always use that contains, so matches elements containing the specific text, so we did not need to worry about exact string. But sometimes what happens is, in this product we get multiple matches, like because it search iPhone 15 Pro Max and we get multiple. So if we want to click always first one, then we can use dot first. So it will, if it matches multiple strings, it will click on the first one. So this is why I used first one. So now let's write this orders.spec.ts. So in spec file, what we need to do is we need to import that class where we wrote our page file and create the object of that, and we should write our first test case. So I am just copying this. So here the first thing we need to do is, so I am removing this, and here our page name is, so slash double slash dot pages slash home page. So we got that, and here our class name should be, in home page we used that, this is home page, so we will pass it here as home page, and we are creating constructor or object home page in small. So we have created, now we can use home page await home page dot go to, so it will go to amazon.in, then await, and it will home page dot search product, and we will search iPhone 15 Pro Max, and we will do await home page dot click on product, and again we will pass. So here also you are seeing like this string product name is getting repeated, right? So to avoid that, what you can do is you can store in one of the variable and use that variable here. So if you want to search any other product, right, so you just need to change the string in the variable. So let's now try running that. So I am running it, and it open Chromium. It click on that iPhone 15 Pro Max and didn't click on the product, or it clicked. I am not sure, like it got too fast. So now we need to write this order spec.ts, right? So let's do debug so that we debug point, so we don't know like if it is passed or not, like it has opened new page or what happened there, right? So it has searched the product. Now click on that. So here we are landed on the product page. So in product page, what we need to do is we need to verify like if we landed on correctly or not. So here we are saying we have same text iPhone 15 Pro Max in model name. So we'll try to get this in this tr. So what we can do is like we can check like if this page is that or not. So what we can do is here like in our test, right, here we can put await and put expect to make sure like we are on correct product or not. Expect page dot locator, and we can see some of the tr dot to contain text, and again we can pass this iPhone 15 Pro Max. So it will try to check that if it is containing the text or not. So now after that we need to do is we need to automate this page model. So let's go to product page.ts. So I am just copying from this. So in product page.ts we will keep class name product page, and we don't need here go to method and any other method. So we just will here click on the cart. Let me maximize this. So click on add to cart, and we need this. We have this id input, click to our cart. I don't know why they use input everywhere for buttons as well. So you are getting two. So this is second one, and first one is somewhere else. So we have span. Still we are getting two input. I'm not sure where that first one is. I think in the product page somewhere. So let's use this one right now. Input ID add to cart button. Playwright will show us like which is the correct one to use. So I am just doing input. So this is other way to use Playwright's capability to find the identifier if you are not getting any unique one. So it will show what is unique between those. Let's try that. So this is our add to cart button, and it is locator, and add to cart button, and this is input, and we are clicking on add to cart. So we will create method add to cart method. So it will be click, right? So we are doing click add to cart, and this is just normal case, so we don't need to pass any parameters. So I am await, and this dot add to cart button dot click. So it will click on add to cart button. This dot add to, this is not method, right? So we are clicking on that. Let's add here. After this await expect, sorry, Now we need to create the page object of this product page as well. So we need to import that product page. So we create a class name product page. So we will go give here product page, and this is also now product page. And we will need to create one. So now it's opening in same page. I don't know why. So we can use same page. Otherwise we need to create the context of new page. So that we already created video like how to handle multiple tabs. So you can watch at that out if you are seeing like it is opening in the new page. So now we need to create arrays product dot click add to cart. So now this should click on add to cart. So we try again running that. So I am stopping this first. So let's run press now. So it is opening amazon.in. Now it will search our product. Now it will click on the product link. So that is done. Now it will verify like it has this or not, and it is not able to verify. So here we are getting strict mode violation. Locator TR resolves 200 element locator T body. So we need to make sure like it is very containing multiple TRs, right? So just make sure like which TR you are talking about or which text you are talking about. So here we are saying like it is span also and TRT body. So we will look in this table. So we can provide class either way. So here so we should not use locator like this, but temporarily I am using that. Let's debug again. Now it will search, it will click on product, and now it will verify. Again still here it is not able to verify that. Timed out, expect locator doesn't. So I think we need to give exact text what we are here, like this one, right? It is content text, but I think it will check the if it is capital or small letters, right? So now again we are running that. Now so this you should know how to debug as well. And now we will verify like if it is containing same or not, and it passed. And now we need to check it clicks on add to cart, but it won't, right? Because there are two matches there. So we just need to know like if it is passing or not. So like here we are saying locator strict mode violation input to cart result two elements. So one is this and one is get by role name add to cart. So we can use this get by role name add to cart. It will take our second add to cart one. So here what we can do page dot get by role and add to cart, and we can remove this. So we got this identifier. So this is how you can get identifier from the playwright itself. So now I can just run that and we can check like it is, if I can remove this breakpoint and we can see like if it is working on. Here it is opening amazon.in, searching, clicking on that product, verify expect and click add to cart, and this is green now, so you can see like it got passed. So now we need to click on proceed button, but I think yeah, we can write here as well. So for that I need to go till there, so to make sure like it is window is open and I am clicking on exit that proceed button. So I am just clicking, so it is clicked on add to cart and I am clicking on this proceed to checkout button. So again what we need to do is click on proceed to checkout, and here also we have this pan ID. So mostly I don't prefer to use IDs. Mostly if your site is developed in React, those IDs are very dynamic. So good way is to uh, check out with the developer and ask them to add any unique identifier that you can use in the automation. So there are test ID, the way they are using in unit test, right? Same way for automation, you can ask them to add some test div ID or something. So that will make sure like your unique element is unique and it never changes. Or if someone is changing that, right, tell you need to check with the automation team. Developer need to check with automation team before changing it, so that it won't fail. So that is the good practice. So we can use this to use the proceed button. So here I can create proceed button, this dot proceed button equal to page dot locator, and we will click here async, click on proceed button, and we will do same, await this dot proceed button dot click. So here in test case we can use like await product dot proceed button, click on proceed button, and now we can simply run that. So it is already running, so let's close this. I'm not sure if we can stop it. So we can stop here, and I am running. I can run test to simply I can do that as well, but it will run on headless mode I think by default, so it won't open window. So we need to change the test name as well. So first thing we need to do is changing the test name. So it got passed now, or it couldn't find that proceed button because it's span. Now I need to click input. Let's try running in debug mode so that we can get to know. Now it will click on add to cart button, and now it should click to proceed to checkout button, and it done. So it has created and it is green. So we completed our test. So this is a one test we wrote on. Now with the page object model, how beautiful it is, we have this method search product. So if you just want to make sure, like you want to validate your search input right here, like with special character or something, so you can pass this character and check like how no result page is there, and with some special character it is not breaking down with different kind of product you want to search. You can directly, you just need to pass the product name and it will search it. That's it. Also some of the things you can always use is like this, like click to add card. So for every product you need to do this click add to card. So only you need to write once, and you can add in the all the text where you are doing that product card thing, right? So it will always work with the same way. Also we are dividing into products, so sometimes we just need to test a product page only. So we need to verify in that particular product, like what is model number, what is, if I am able to change this or not, if I am able to change color or not. So everything will come under the product page. So you can just write all the methods in the product page only, and it will be separate from home page. So this way it will be, you can use multiple ways, and you need to write little code, and also if something got changed you need to change only at one place. So this is how beautiful page object model is. So, still any doubt, feel free to put your comments, and I will reply as soon as possible. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. Stay connected in social media, links are given in the description. Thank you.